So we're going to talk today about vitamin C. Now, vitamin C is an important nutrient really every time of the year, but it's even more important when you enter into fall and winter months. And there's less of it present in our diets, and our immune systems are exposed to much more bacteria and viruses, making your need to support your immune system just that much more important. Now, the reason vitamin C is such an important nutrient for you is it plays a vital role in the interferon response, which is your initial immune response. So when a bug comes in, some sort of invading thing, a virus, a bacteria, whatever, a germ, whatever that may be, comes in, the interferon response is what contains it to hold it to a small area until the rest of the immune cells can come in and take out that invader. So the better that response is, the less the bug can spread once it gets inside of your body. So the interferon response is important for containing the infection, and vitamin C plays a really important role in how good your interferon response is. Vitamin C also helps with what's called the respiratory burst, which is how strong the immune system can fight against the invader and how quickly your immune system can recover after an immune response, a fight, so you are ready to defend against the next bug that may come around. So it really has like this 2 or 3 pronged approach by stopping the spread of once the bug gets in you, allowing your body to fight at its strongest and helping it recover so it's ready for the next thing that may come around. Now, the difference between our vitamin C and any other vitamin C you can get, and there's 2 that we use. There's the vitamin C complex, and then the other one is the immunity complex. They are identical as to what's in them. The difference is the vitamin C complex, this one's in capsules, and the immunity complex is this one's a powder. It's flavored with orange oil, so it has a nice, easy taste to it. It depends on the mode you want to take. If you have kids around, this one's easier. So we have, obviously, I have both in my house, but they're identical that way. Now, what makes them different than the other vitamin C's you're going to see at the pharmacy or the health food store is that these ones, the max living ones, are packed with the natural bioflavonoids as your body would encounter vitamin C finding it in nature, which means it's much more absorbable, right? It's how it would find it. So those bioflavonoids helps your body absorb the vitamin C that's actually in it better, because again, it's not what you put in your body. It's what you can absorb and use. It also makes it much easier on the body than other forms of vitamin C, as other forms can be really acidic and tough on digestion and kidneys if you want to take higher doses to get the best results. And the reason being is as our bodies would never actually find like vitamin C like in isolation on its own in any sort of concentration, right? It's just never found that way in nature. And so this is why if it's not packed the way you would find it in nature, it doesn't absorb as well. It's tougher on the body. And this is another important principle here. And what our office is founded on is that no nutrient, vitamin C or any of the other ones we talk about, no nutrient is ever going to cure you, right? It's about making sure your body has the right nutrients it needs to best support and heal you, right? The nutrient itself does nothing, but if you're deficient in it, then that can be an interference, right? And this is again why the 5 Essentials is a true health delivery system, as it works in coordination with your body to get the best outcomes versus trying to force the body to do something it doesn't really want to do, right? So dosage on this, you want to be taking these, you're taking between 2,000 milligrams and 4,000 milligrams, depending on whether you're looking to just support the immune system or you're trying to enhance the immune system. That would be, so basically 2,000 milligrams in the powder would be 2 scoops. There's a little scoop that comes inside of us. And 2,000 in the vitamin C complex would be 4 capsules. Best to break it up. So take it twice a day, 2 caps one time a day, 2 caps another, 1 scoop one time a day, 1 scoop another. And if you're doubling it, you're just doubling it. Simple as that. So that's vitamin C, why you want to take it, and how to best take it to get the best results.